You searched, how to buy shares of NSTS Bancorp Inc. NSTS Bancorp Inc. is a regional bank providing commercial and retail banking services, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker NSTS. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy NSTS, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NSTS, then select the matching NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. On the NSTS stock page, review the company overview, confirm the NASDAQ exchange, and check the price chart to ensure you have the correct listing. Click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a pending instruction, and if you lack funds, eToro will prompt you to add them before confirming. After the trade, your NSTS position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform.